In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to graph percentile rankings in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a fantastic way to visually represent data and better understand where specific values fall within your dataset. Let's jump right in and get started by opening your Google Sheet. Begin by inputting your raw scores into one of the columns. This data will be the foundation for our percentiles, so make sure everything is entered correctly. Next to your raw scores, you're going to set up another column dedicated to your percentile rankings. This is where we calculate exactly where each score stands relative to the entire dataset using Google Sheets' built-in formulas. To calculate those percentile rankings, you'll use the formula percentrank range value for each score. You want to make sure that the range encompasses all the raw scores and that you're referencing each individual value that you intend to calculate the percentile for. This step translates your raw scores into percentiles, seamlessly turning numbers into meaningful insights about their distribution within your dataset. Once you have both the raw scores and their corresponding percentile rankings, it's time to visualize this information. Highlight both columns by clicking and dragging over them. With your data selected, head over to the menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Chart. This opens the chart editor on the right side of your screen, where you can decide how best to display your data. In the chart editor, it's time to choose the most suitable chart type for your visualization. Options like a scatter chart or a line chart work particularly well for showing distributions and percentiles, providing a clear visual representation of your data. This choice depends on how you want to portray the relationships between the raw scores and their percentile ranks. Next, you'll want to add more context to your chart by labeling the axes appropriately. Navigate to Customize and click on Chart and Axis Titles. Here, you can provide labels that clarify what each axis represents, helping anyone who views the chart understand what they are looking at. Additionally, customizing the appearance of your chart can improve readability and overall presentation. Adjust colors to make certain data points stand out, change point styles if necessary, and consider adding or adjusting grid lines. These changes can highlight important areas of your data and make your chart more engaging. And there you have it. That is how you can graph percentile rankings in Google Sheets on desktop. With these steps complete, you now have a visual representation that can easily convey the positioning of scores within your dataset. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes working with your data more manageable.